Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this Xiaomi. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now you need to tap on apps section over here and click on permissions. Then tap on permissions one more time and pick one of your device's features, like location. Then select one of your apps. I will go with maps because it has a lot of options. Click on it and tap on one of those options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back, as you can see, maps gained access to this device location, but you can always pick one of your device's features. I will go with camera this time, select one of your apps, and this time click on see all phone permissions. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!